Today, let's review the effective practice, workstations. Workstations are designated areas in the classroom where students work alone, with a partner, or in small groups. Workstations establish a routine of differentiation for students with various instructional levels, interests, and learning styles. Workstations are best used when students are ready for independent practice or when reviewing material that has already been introduced and modeled. Teachers must determine objectives for each workstation, model procedures, and clearly explain expectations.
What are you going to try to explain to the audience?
We're going to try to explain the context.
What is the context to? What is that?
At each workstation, teachers provide instructional materials for students to explore, practice, and expand their learning. Remember to keep groups flexible so that students have an opportunity to work with a variety of classmates. Station rotation allows students to rotate around the classroom in small groups as they stop at various stations to engage in activities that correlate with the objective. Always try to incorporate technology and/or novelty in workstations to enhance student engagement. Workstations are a great way to reach students who may not thrive in a traditional instructional setting. Here are a few tips when creating successful workstations. Create time and behavior management procedures and expectations. Create differentiated activities and procedures for students to follow in each workstation. Prepare an assessment or determine an end product that will gauge students' mastery of the concepts for each workstation. And remember, workstations are a great change of pace in the classroom.